Oh, good morning, Glue Troopers. Max and Max's Models here, just knocking out a quick video. One of the things about model building is we often do a lot of research, as we were talking about on the last live stream, on the models we do. And sometimes you develop so much knowledge, it actually becomes kind of a problem when you're watching movies. I'm rewatching the HBO miniseries From the Earth to the Moon, which I got to be an extra in, and I started noticing things that were wrong. I mean, I love the models in this show. I would love to have some of those. But the first episode where they showed Al Shepard's Mercury flight almost in real time, I noticed that they're using the wrong version of the Mercury capsule. They're using the late model that has the stripes on the retro pack. And that's because NASA lent them the real hardware. Well, the only intact flight ready Mercury capsule, which is at the Udvar Hazy facility in Washington, D.C., out of Dulles Airport, part of the Smithsonian, is the light version. Because I built the Atomic City 112 scale Mercury as Shepard's vehicle, of course, actually, I think I did Glenn's, but the point is that studying the instructions and the decals and everything, you learn how it's supposed to look and the differences and everything. And for example, Shepard's had the round window, the rest of them had the square windows. And you're like, it's still a great miniseries. It's probably one of my very favorites, but it just kind of takes you out for a second. So it's just one of those things that sometimes model building means, just a little too much to enjoy the film. That's pretty much it for this morning. I'll talk to you guys later. And as always, model on.